Round 1. Hey man! Everyone else wants to play round 1. No, then they can lower away. Barrier delay. Okay, this is for our 1036 to Lima 65 East Midlands train service to Leicester. Feels a bit loose. Look how springy that is. There's pigeons again. Well, you don't get seagulls in Lincoln. You only get pigeons. Okay, Brayford's down. Should be getting 156413 back out. One 156413 back out. Thank you. 156413 with a 2-tone to Nottingham and hey guys, we'll see you in the next video.